everyone! Good evening. So, andito kami ngayon sa Hamburg.
Yeah.
Ayan. With me is my international marketing partner, Trixie.
Hi! Good evening sa inyo, guys.
Yes. Hi! And it's Jem, your international property specialist of SMDC under the team of Miss Pauline Castro.
Yes.
So, we're here to share with you Trixie's experience as a realtor. O, diba? Ang saya! Dito namin i-reveal.
My God!
Yes, maraming revelasyon. Okay? Mas natalo pa to sa news na Katniel, na breakup. Pero ayan, anyway, so magsa-start na kami.
Yes.
Okay, to make this video short and also fun at the same time. At may matutunan kayo at maybe out of nowhere, magde-decide kayo na gusto nyong maging realtor din under my team.
Yes.
So, yes. Okay,
Yes.
Trixie. Before namin i-reveal yung commission niya, diba? Revelation to. By the way, I want to congratulate you for being my top 1 marketing partner.
Thank
Yes.
you, Jem. Siyempre, ang taas kasi ng silat na standard.
Ay, grabe siya.
Right? Thank you. And congratulations din for being top 8. Or
Thank
overall,
you.
I think 300 yung mga kalaban nyo, right?
Kalaban talaga.
Ay,
Yung mga
competitors.
Oh, yes.
Right?
Yes.
So,
By the grace of God, diba?
thank you.
Binas yung team natin. And
Yeah.
of course, it's not my effort, it's God and also you guys,
Yes.
my marketing partners and associates. And especially, thank you, Miss Pau. We love you so much. Ang grabe na support mo.
Yes.
Yes. This is also for you. Okay. So, alito. So, my questions ako, Trix, para mag-guidean yung mga people who wanna earn more income. Diba? Outside from being a nurse. Kasi usually, tayo, nurse din tayo, diba? By the way, I'm also a nurse. I've been working here for 5 years already. And Trixie, you...
4 years?
Yeah,
and
4 years.
4 months?
Oo. So, yan. And marami po kasi nagtatanong sa amin na bakit we are still working like an extra job kahit na may trabaho na kami bilang nurse. Isn't it super anstrenging na may iba pang work tapos ito pa? So, what led you to SM Development Corporation and Real Estate, Trix?
Dati kasi, single pa ako noon. And nasa process ako ng self-growth and self-development. At the same time, gusto kong pag-aralan about financial. Andun na din ako.
Literacy, financial literacy.
Andun na din ako sa mga books ni Chinky Tan, sa Think and Grow Rich, and sa mga, diba, Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Yes.
So yun, parang nag-iiba yung mindset ko. Pero hindi siya overnight. Talagang,
it was a process.
It was a process.
Yeah.
And then, matagal din yun. Parang 2 years. I mean, diba? And then, sabi, merong ako message from you. And then, in-offer mo sa akin si SMDC. Sabi ko, wala akong sales experience.
Yes.
Sabi ko, at saka, ayoko magbenta sa mga tao or mag-approach ng mga tao kasi hindi naman ako doon. Hindi na ako mabunga nga. Pero sabi ko, okay, I'll try. Sabi ko kasi, diba, gusto ko lagi mag-improve and gusto ko may matutunan.
Yes.
And ako yung tipong, okay, kailangan kong lumabas sa comfort zone ko. And then yun yung start. Sabi ko, okay, I'll say yes. And then sa personality ko kasi, gusto ko, diba, kapag realtor ka kasi, yung forma mo, diba?
Yes, of course. Diba? Pang CEO. Madam. Actually, yung mga sinasabi niya, yun din yung I was also at my point din na I was into self-development. Actually, nagka-closing kami ni Trix dahil sa yung mga books na binabasa niya, books na binabasa ko din. Oo, so we were at the right time, grabe talaga si Lord, right timing, right circumstances, right, as in right people will be sent to you if you pray for it.
That's right.
Yes.
Totoo.
And ayun, sobrang masaya na ako kasi nakita ko na may potential to siya. Kahit sinasabi niya sa akin na wala siyang sales experience, because I myself, I have been there. I mean, 'di ba, sabi ko, parang what year were you? MP din ako noon. Before, I was still an MP, marketing partner. Tapos siya, SA ka nun, diba?
Oo, SA.
Pero may mga priorities siyang iba. So, of course, she has to focus on that first. And I was still, as an MP, yun, napansin ko din, I'm growing, especially sa interpersonal skills ko, ganyan. So, parang nasabi ko, grabe talaga kung paano in-orchestrate ni God yung papuntang sa SMDC, grabe talaga. Same sa situation niya. Kaya I also felt like a sister on this process. Yes. So, it's more like, hindi siya marketing partner, but really a partner in this business and also sa pagiging anak ng Diyos. Yeah. Diba? So, anyways. So, with that, what are the positive outcomes that you have experienced while working as a realtor of SM?
Positive outcomes?
Yes. Ano ba yung mga magagandang mga nangyari sa buhay mo? Aside sa pera, ha?
Siyempre, number one.
Oo.
Hindi. Nagkaroon ako ng opportunity na mas matuto pa about real estate kasi gusto ko talaga magkaroon. Isa sa mga dreams ko talaga magkaroon ng mga, alam mo yan, hindi ko muna sasabihin. Yes. Pero yun yung isang gusto ko talaga. And because of SNDC, nababroaden yung knowledge ko, and at the same time, nag-iiba din yung mindset ko. And nakakatulong din ako sa iba na gusto magkaroon ng extra income, yung mga sales associate ko, natutulungan ko din sila, right? Nagkakaroon sila ng mga clients din at the same time, diba, nag-broaden din yung knowledge nila.
Yes. It's like a legacy that we're passing on to others.
And yun nga, sunod-sunod na kasi yan eh. Once, pag yung opportunity kasi is the right opportunity sa'yo, talagang mabilis yung ano ba yung how do you call that? Yung process. Sobrang bilis. And then yung circle of friends mo, nagiging
parang in alignment with your purpose. Yung sinasabi ko
sa mo. Parang yung mga natatagmang mong friends are the same sa kung paano yung mindset mo.
Yeah. That's so true, guys. As in, if like you are on a path na, di ba, sabi nga nila, of course, you have to also seek people like maybe you're in the same path as ours na you're into self-development. This is the team that you are looking for. I'm telling you, kulang na lang mag-message ka sa amin na I wanna be part of that team kasi to be honest, when I met her, nag-gym din siya noon. As in, grabe talaga. Tapos, grabe din yung health-conscious siya. Mas, nagkukuhan nga ako sa kanya kasi sobrang health-conscious niya. So, na-inspire ako sa kanya. And of course, we're also learning from each other. It's not just like, dahil marketing partner ako noon or IPS ako ngayon, siya lang ang natutusan. Marami ako natutunan kay Trixie. So, in this team, it's not like that. So, dito, magtutulungan talaga tayo, empowering each other. And we have seen the growth of each other din naman sa buhay natin. So, yun,
may gusto pa akong idagdag, Jem. Kasi yung mga leaders, for example, nung SA pa ako, and then, ina-idolize ko, I mean talagang ina-admire ko, is ikaw, and si Miss Pao. Kasi sabi ko, hala, taas ng standards ng mga leaders ko. Nakakaya na kung putyo-putyo naman yung
yung ibibigay mong trabaho, ganun.
Right. So sabi ko, sige, galingan ko. Pero in the first year, nagkaroon ako ng private, diba? Private problem.
So, of course, naiintindihan ko din naman yun. And it took some time, but then, girl, guys, bumalik siya. Grabe
yung balik
may vision board na siya. Ipakita natin, Trixie. Sige, mamaya. Ipakita natin yung vision board, lahat, kung paano niya narating ang pagiging top 1 marketing partner. And of course, malalaman yung magkano ang kanyang commission. So, idadagdag ka pa ba? Ano yung mga ibang positive outcomes aside from yung change ng para mag-improve ka sa para marketing, ganyan, sa sales, di ba? We also talked that we wanted to have like businesses of our own in the future. And of course, need din natin, according to some financial advisors and millionaires, you really need to start selling. The good thing about SMDC kasi, you don't have to invest into a condo or a project so that you can be for you to become a realtor. Hindi po. We are not requiring you to do that, to invest before you become one.
Yes.
Hindi ba hindi kita ni-require? Yes. So, ganun po yung nangyayari. It's only the dedication and desire to really help others and also earn at the same time. Kasi of course, gaya na sabi ko kanina, mabigat na yung trabaho bilang nurse.
Yeah.
Oo, sobra. So, diba sabay pa kami? Ganun talaga. Ganun ka grabe.
Yung kaput.
Oo. Sa kanya naman, she's working full-time as a nurse. Ako, this year, I started doing a part-time, which was a very good decision also that I made. Kasi full-time na ako kay SM. So, anyways, ayan. So, second, interpersonal, ano pa nga yung isa, what were the other things that you said? Financial literacy, mas nag-improve ka din, di ba?
And then, of course, yung circle of friends.
Oo, yung circle niya. Oo.
Yun na yung mga pinag-usapan nyo, di ba? Mga iba kasi, dati, mga friend, hindi naman. Ayog ko na.
Oo. So, yun, na-experience yun din yan. Pero, when you're being very intentional din, gaya na sabi ko sa kanya kanina, of course, she wouldn't be the top 1 marketing partner if she was not intentional or purposeful with her path. Kasi may goal siya eh. Kaya nga i-reveal namin mamaya. So, ayun. Anyways. So, with that, of course, positive outcome, may negative din. Ito talaga, guys, masasabi ko. Kung maraming positive, mas madami ang negative. Akala nyo, madali to, hindi So, what are the challenges you faced as a realtor?
Number 1 talaga, rejections. Talaga, kahit sino nagtatanong sa akin, ang number 1 na challenge talaga na encounter ko is yung madaming rejections. Stream of rejection siya, hindi lang siya isa. Kasi hindi ako sanay ma-reject. At hindi din ako sanay mag-approach ng tao na hindi ko kilala, and then i-reject niya ako. Nang hindi lang paulit-ulit yan. Every day. Hindi lang 50 times, 100 times. So, sabi ko, okay, baka ito na yung normal ng pagiging
nasa sales
na industry, right? Sa akin kasi hindi lang ako sanay. Kailangan pala sanayin.
Oo.
Hanggang sa maging manhid ka, right?
Yes.
Oo. And then, kapag itong rejections na to, nasabayan sa personal life mo, sobrang bigat. And then, samahan mo pa ng nursing life na kaput ka na. So, yun yung mga kong challenges.
Rejections talaga.
Yun talaga. Kasi, hindi talaga ako sanay eh. Pero, yun lang yung first year ko. And meron din akong pinagdadaanan noon. Kaya nag-stop ako, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, nakabenta ko ng 2. Trinay ko. Kaso, hindi na kaya emotionally. Kasi, yung ko pa, yung sa private life ko, parang, okay, ayoko muna. Pause ako ng 8 months, right? 8 to 9 months. Sabi ko, ayoko na, break muna tayo sa busy.
So, the thing is, hinintay ko lang talaga sila, mga MPs ko. And then, of course, as I moved up as a property specialist, isa din si Trixie, kahit 2 lang yung nabenta. Pero, malalaking accounts ninyo na close deal niya. So, of course, I also gave that the same opportunity sa kanila na i-promote sila as marketing partner.
Yan na.
Ayun. So, naging marketing partner, naging mas motivated na si Trixie.
Oo. Sabi ko, na-promote ako. Sabi ko, parang na-fuel yung
yung natutulog
mas naging
niya.
driven ako. Right?
Natutulog niyang spirit na maging realtor.
Sabi ko, sige. Jem, sabi ko, thank you, di ba? Tumawag ka na, may good news ako sa'yo, ipopromote kitang marketing partner. So, yun. December yun, no?
December.
It was December. And then, January, winter pa din. And then, eto na, si Miss Val.
Ayan.
Sobrang thankful talaga kay Miss Val.
Hi, Miss Val.
Sa training niya, na doon nag-start lahat na gumawa ko ng vision board, na talaga naging,
dedicated siya, passionate siya.
Oo, set talaga ako ng goal. Sabi ko, okay, this year, mag-start ulit ako mag-SMDC, pero with goal na. Kasi kapag ako tinamad, di na ako na-motivate, okay, wala na akong, okay lang sa akin kasi wala na akong goal eh, wala na akong pinagbubutan eh. Sige, okay lang kahit na hindi ko na ma-reach ito, hindi na ako makabenta.
Yes.
Pero pag iba kasi, talaga, kapag may goal ka talaga, pag sinet mo talaga yung goal mo, talagang kahit na tamarin ka, kahit na mag-winter, na pag nakikita mo yun, okay, na mas na-motivate ka, right?
The thing is then, yun kasi, sinasabi ko parati sa team ko na you must know your biggest why.
Yes!
Your biggest why will be your big motivator. Kasi, gaya na sabi niya, there will really be days na ayaw mo talagang kahit wake up from the bed or get out from the bed para lang of course 2 days lang yung off mo kunwari, pero kasi may goal ka, tatayo ka, and sometimes when you are into that self-development stage, alam mo din na consistency and building those habits, positive habits will really catapult you. Catapult talaga. Catapult you into a certain catapult you into a certain type of person na you're building that kind of positive habit. So, of course, there's a greater change that you will really notice, not only you but also others. When you parang namamanifest mo din yung pagiging realtor mo eh. Kasi it takes time. It's not one lang parang ganun, nagbabago ka na. No, it's a process. Everything is a process. Katulad din ng commission namin.
Sabi nga nila, there's no overnight success. Nasa process lahat yan.
Yes. And naniniwala ako na for the past years kasi nakakakilala ko ng mga realtors before. Bakit ako nagstay? The longer you stay as a realtor, the richer you will become.
Wow!
Yes! Oh my gosh! Congrats sa ate!
Mars!
Yun ha. Isa din yan sa question ha. Yung mga naghahanap ng mga utang. Utang pala. Kami, that's why we worked hard outside na parang may side hustle kami or may ibang job kami. Kasi those money, may intention yun. Naka-budget na talaga yun siya for a certain goal. So, kaya minsan, pag kayo, may mga taong umuutang sa amin, ang ino-offer namin pag nasa abroad kayo is this opportunity. Kasi dito din kami nailigtas. Ako ha, I myself, I had debts. Pero nung dahil sa SMDC, nabayaran ko yung lahat.
Wow!
Nabayaran ko yung lahat. Pero, yung mga debts din na yun, it was also like a time for me to enjoy myself, ganyan, dumating ako. But that time, wala akong financial literacy. Wala pa akong self-development. So, waldas lang ng waldas. Basta masaya ako, ganun. Pero, nagpapadala pa rin naman sa Pinas. Pero, nung slowly, not slowly, but umiyak na ako kay Lord kasi hindi ko na nakikita maganda ang naibubunga ng mga gawain ko, mga habits ko. So, parang sabi ko, pagod na ako, Lord, na ganito. Pag nagta-travel ako, para lang siyang temporary happiness. But I can see that it's not going really, and I don't feel fulfilled. So, bigyan mo naman ako ng opportunity. So, ayun, hanggang nagbasa ako about investments, lahat ng investment, hanggang napunta din ako kay SMDC. So, same kami ng stage. So, I really do understand some people na hindi pa ready kasi they're still not on that phase. Wait lang. The earlier the better na nalaman mo yung financial literacy and about self-development. Grabe yung switch ng buhay mo. Magbabago talaga. And read books and also listen to podcasts from millionaires. Yung mga successful talaga. Hindi yung mga hearsays ng mga taong hindi naman successful. Diba? So yun. Anyways. So Trixie, how did you become as my top 1 marketing partner? Ito na. So, ipakita natin yung vision board mo. Sige, girl.
Gagawa na kasi ako ng bago. Okay,
so, nung 2023, ito yung vision board niya. Paki-explain nga tong vision board mo.
Sige. So that was February, di ba? Wala pa akong benta ng January. And then, naglagay ako, in-screenshot ko tong testimonials. Kasi ano ba tong eto, IMP Jemima Perez, one of our top international marketing partners.
Yes, marketing partner pa top 1.
ISA pa ako dati, pero nag-top 1 ata ako because of my two
sales na big projects.
And then, sabi ko, congratulations, and galing talaga ng IPS namin. And then, nag-reply ka, di ba? Sa top 1 kong associate last year, thank you for your support talaga. Ano ba to? Top 1 IMP na naman, i-goal mo this year.
Yeah.
We'll keep rooting for you. Ay, sabi ko, okay, dapat dyan lang to, para at least ma-inspire ako. And then, ito, ginawa ko siya, 1 client per month, my goal. Although, hindi ko naman siya, yung iba, ito, exempted na yan kasi
bago na lang.
Dito kasi nag-start si Miss Val. So, mag-start tayo doon sa training ni Miss Val. And then ito, di ba? Ang daming, hindi lang siya 1 client per month. Nagkaroon ako ng
multiple sales.
Just because also, with the help of my ISA. And then ito. Yan, di ba? May mga blanks.
May mga blanks na ganyan.
Pero at least, nakakuha ko naman certificate of
di ba? Certificate of achievement.
Hindi pa, next, i-ano natin sa magandang bond.
Certificate niya. Na nagtapuan siya. See, for reaching 79.6 million sales production. Top 1 IMP for the 3rd quarter of 2023. Ayan. Pero kung i-reveal ko sa inyo kung magkano yung total niya. Alam nyo ba, this year guys, grabe yung benta niya. Umabot na siya ng more than 100 million.
Ay, talaga?
Oo, umabot ka girl. 107.500. Yes!
Parang yan. Ano ba yan?
Oo, 107. Naka 107 ka girl.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi, this year. This year. Ito. Kasi itong 3 at saka 4, that was last year.
That was last year? Hindi.
Okay.
Nanakuan yan eh. December yun. Parang December yun na sale. Tapos of course, may cut-off yan for the first week of January. Gaya na sabi ko sa'yo kanina. So that's why when you compute it, it's already 107. Pero girls, guys pala girls. Pero guys, ang commission ni, anong tawag dito, ito total production lang to. Hindi niya pera yung 107 ha. Pero yung commission niya for 2023 dahil sa vision board niya, and of course, hindi nawala yung partner na very supportive. The team also supported Trixie, and as well, ang Panginoong Diyos. Diba? Grabe yung, gaya na sabi niya, the rejections, grabe. Mananam ka talaga. Mas iiyak ka pa sa rejection ni SMDC kaysa sa rejection ng pagmamahal. Diba? Grabe. So, ayun. May mga times talaga na ganyan. Pero, it's worth everything. Worth every pain. Worth every struggle. Kasi naman, yung commission na hinihintay niya is 2.5 million. Uy! Ay, grabe, girl!
Grabe naman yan!
Diba? 2.5 million. Yung, if I may kuhan talaga, it's 559,659.45 cents. O, may 45 cents pa. So, yan na po yung total na commission ni Trixie. Ayan, for 2023. Congrats! Thank you, Lord. Ganyan. Yes. So, Trixie, with that, ano ba kasi talagang gagawin mo sa pera? Me and my family are trying our best. They are my silang ginamit na medium ni Lord. Ako ang nag-provide, sila yung gumagawa doon. So, yan. And it's so fulfilling na yung pera ng pang-sideline mo lang maraming natutulungan. Yes. Grabe. Kasi yung yung active income namin bilang nurse, hindi po sapat yun para makapag-reach out ka ng ibang tao. Para pamilya mo lang yan. Tapos dito, mas tumataas pang inflation dito. Tapos ang mahal-mahal sa Europe. So, hindi sapat. When you have the desire to help more people, you have to be more responsible. Yeah, tapos...
And, iba din kasi yung feeling, no? kapag meron na pupuntahan yung pera mo, hindi lang, of course, sige, tutulong tayo sa kapamilya,
of
anak,
course.
pero iba din yung feeling na nakapagbigay ka ng tulong. For example, sa mga bata, sa mga bundok, or sa mga AITA, or sa mga bata, sa mga reach out program. So, diba? They are really grateful. Yung
of course, makita mo yung mukha ng mga bata na parang mangiyak-ngiyak.
It's a different
fulfillment
and happiness eh. Iba yung nabibigay ng happiness na galing sa mga bata hindi mo kilala, na nakikita mo sobra silang masaya and grateful. Right? So, yun.
Tapos, pinamis namin yun kay Lord na, Lord, ito, gagawin ko to. Though wala akong experience sa sales, wala akong experience sa real estate and marketing. But alam ko kasi, nabigay mo to. If you will start something in my life, I know you will bless it and you will provide it in any way. So, yung mga nakuhaan ko sa commission ko, i-give back ko din sa mga people na nangangailangan sa'yo. So, it's like one way of showing God na ito yung pinagpa-partnership natin kay Lord, diba? So, yun yung pinakamagandang nagawa ni SMDC. As in, sobra talaga. As in, sobra.
And I know that's the right opportunity for me. Binigay ni Lord sa akin SMDC. So, kahit anong sabihin nilang negative about it, it's okay. That's their opinion. I respect that. But, meron din kaming life. And then, iba din kasi, iba't ibang factor yan.
Of course.
This one, because of this. Pero, sa akin, I'm really grateful of this opportunity. So,
and gaya noon, sabi namin, this opportunity might just knock once. I mean, when one door closes, there's another one. And this is the one that good thing that we decided to accept it. So, it just takes, like, gaya na sabi ko, instant, hindi siya. Gradual siya na process. Pero you will learn along the way. And you will also be surrounded with people. I also found a community with them na same kami ng desire and also ng goals. So, parang nasiyahan ako kasi everything was really orchestrated. The people in my life. O diba? Anyway, so yun na nga. And lastly, Trixie, what are your advices that you want to share to those who want to earn more income aside from your active income as a nurse? Anong i-share natin sa kanila na advice? Paano maging top 1 marketing partner? Or kahit hindi man top 1, yung mag-earn ng umabot ng 2 million point, 2.5 million, or anong masasabi mo? Anong advices mo? Despite the challenges na mas marami kaysa sa positive.
Ano sa akin, don't be afraid to move forward or step forward or leave your comfort zone. Yun talaga yung ma-advise ko. And just say to lahat ng mga opportunity na magbibigay sa'yo ng financial literacy and knowledge or
acquire those knowledges or attend ka ng mga courses, mga classes. Oo. Kaysa naman yung pera mong binibili mo lang ng impulsive buying mo, i-attend mo na lang ng course para yumaman ka sa course na yan, diba?
Depende kasi yan, Jem, may mga tao kasi na hindi pa ready.
Of course.
Na merong mga tao na YOLO, right? And then they want to spend their money when it comes sa mga travels para magkaroon sila ng experiences. Hindi naman natin sila. Kasi ganun din naman tayo. Pero yung mga ready na talaga step forward when it comes sa financial, yun talagang lalapit din sila sa atin.
True. Yun din yung sinabi ko sa kanya before na pag may mga disappointments tayo or rejections from the clients, hindi tayo masasad or parang masastock sa disappointment kasi yung mga ino-offer nating opportunity sa kanila, it's actually depende na yun sa kanila. Maybe they're not yet ready. Maybe, of course, for example, if they will take it already and then later on, magsa-stop pala sila. So, mas naging kawalan pa nila yun. And we wouldn't want to let them experience that. So, of course, you have to have that self-awareness muna kung ano talaga yung mga binavalue ninyo, ano yung priorities ninyo. Yeah, and I also do think kasi na yung travel, grabe din kami mag-travel before, as in grabe talaga. But then when
Ikaw mas grabe.
Mas grabe akin.
Mas grabe sa'yo.
Yung para 2 days na sa ibang country na ako, parang ganyan before. Because I was so depressed. Yun talaga, parang conscious, nagko-compromise. Pero akala ko yung travel is like parang nagsisave sa akin na mawala yung mga pain from work, ganyan, or yung mga stressful events, makakalimutan ko. Pero the thing is, you will never find joy in even travel. You will never find peace also. It's not an assurance that you can find really it's only in God. And you know, when you're with God, everything is in alignment talaga sa Kanya. Mafe-feel mo yung peace and joy na hindi mo ma-understand. Pero gaya ng sabi ng sermon kanina, kasi galing kami ng church, I really thank Trixie for bringing me to church today. Ayun, sabi niya, do not be afraid. 365 times yun, di ba? Oo, tapos sabi niya, but be afraid kay God 200 times. Kasi nga, alam naman natin na ano man gawin natin, we are always, God is always before us. So kahit na nag-SMDC, alam nyo, yung mga takot ko before, baka magkaano-ano sa clients, ganyan, ang dami kong negativities. Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, di ba may Diyos ka? Bakit ka natatakot? Di ba anak ka ng Diyos? Bakit ka natatakot? So yun yung pinanghahawakan ko, na alam ko dito ako tinawag I said yes, and everything was alright. Parang wala akong faith. Kasi 4 years na ako sa SMDC, tapos bigla na naman akong natitest, ganyan, tapos bigla na naman akong bibigay. So parang sinasabi na, kanino ba nagmamay-ari ang puso mo? Kay Lord ba? O dyan sa SMDC? Baka yung SMDC naging idolo mo na. So, kahit na nag-SMDC ako, si Lord pa rin ang number 1. Kasi siya yung blesser. Ito, blessing lang to. So, yan. That's why, guys, if you want to be part of our team na hindi kami mukhang pera lang talaga. Oo, pero nang tawag dito, it's one way of us serving the Lord, di ba? And serving others. Yun din naman yung purpose niya binigay sa atin ng Panginoon dito sa mundo. So, do you want to add anything before we end this vlog? Wala na. Okay. So, everyone, So everyone, if you like to join our team, ayan, ang gusto nyong baguhin ni SMDC ang mga buhay ninyo, you are looking at the right people. Be part of our team. And yun, you can start as an international sales associate of Trixie, pag nasa Hamburg ba kayo or kakilala niyo si Trixie. In fact, Nakrish, so chicken, diba? I-PM nyo lang din siya, tapos pag gusto nyo na din naman mag-level up, marketing partner, international marketing partner, you can message me. Doon naman, magpa-present din na din kayo, ganyan, so through time, but it takes time. Pero andyan pa rin. Andyan pa rin
yung hierarchy, the more yung responsibility.
Mas more yung responsibility, of course. Pero pag referral lang, you may contact Trixie or my other marketing partners who are reachable naman or nakita nyo sa Facebook. So, ayan. Thank you so much, Trix, for everything. I'm in Hamburg and I'm staying in her apartment. So, I'm thankful talaga. Pinifeed niya ako dito, guys. So, anyway, thank you and have a great evening, guys. Till our next vlog.
Bye.
Bye.